In the lively jungle of Jumbaloo, there lived a cheerful elephant named Ellie. Ellie was famous for her giant ears, her love for splashing in the river, and her huge, kind heart. But one bright morning, Ellie woke up feeling rather peculiar. Her trunk was all tickly, and her head felt heavy. Oh dear, Ellie had caught a cold. Despite feeling under the weather, Ellie decided to go about her day. As she wandered through the jungle, she bumped into her friends, Leo the lion, Zara the zebra, and Timmy the toucan. They noticed Ellie's red, runny trunk and her loud sneezes right away. "Ellie, you don't look so good," said Zara worriedly. "We need to help you get better," Timmy added with a determined look. Timmy flew off in search of eucalyptus leaves, which are known to help with colds. He returned quickly, carrying a bunch of leaves in his beak. Zara sprinted to the river to fetch some cool, refreshing water for Ellie to drink. Leo stayed by Ellie's side, telling her funny stories to cheer her up. Ellie felt loved and cared for. She nibbled on the eucalyptus leaves, sipped the fresh water Zara brought, and laughed at Leo's silly tales. Slowly but surely, Ellie began to feel better. After a few days of rest and the wonderful care from her friends, Ellie's cold was gone. She felt her old self again, ready to play and splash in the river. Ellie realized how lucky she was to have such amazing friends who took care of her when she was sick. From that day on, Ellie made sure to take good care of herself and be there for her friends, just as they had been there for her. And so the jungle of Jumbaloo was once again filled with joy and laughter, thanks to the kindness and friendship shared by Ellie and her wonderful friends.